Alright, so today we're going to learn how to hash eggs and get distance on Pokemon Go without actually going anywhere, with no fake GPS or location spoofing. Here we go. So first, you'll have to turn on the GPS. Then open the Pokemon Go app. Right. So once you're signed in, your guy, when the GPS tries to find you, the guy will move around. So let's wait till he starts moving. So when he moves, what you will want to do is pull your verification screen down, and exactly when it starts moving, tap on the GPS button. This will disable the GPS like that. See? Now he stays moving in the same direction without actually moving at all. This will gain you distance. And you don't have to put your phone on a turntable, you don't have to do anything. Your phone can stay still. Alright guys, so I had to reset it because my phone glitched off, and so the GPS is turned off. Same method as before. He's walking a little bit faster this time. And let's wait and see. So currently eggs are still 0.75 and at 2.36. So remember, as long as the GPS is adjusting and your guys is moving around, at whatever movement speed you want to turn off the GPS immediately. This will cause it to glitch off. So now let's wait a little while for him to walk a distance. Alright guys, it's been about 2 minutes since I've left it here on the table. Now let's check how much distance it gained. Alright, so this one was at 0.75, now it's at 0.78. And this one was at 2.36, 2.39. As you can see, this is the best way to gain distance without having to put your phone on a turntable or anything. You can just leave it like this, put it in your pocket, or put it on a table. It'll do it all for you. Awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. Don't forget to leave a comment down below, and that's pretty much it. Peace.